Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about how to fix Facebook copyright problems and resolve any copyright violation that are affecting your content. So without further delay, let's dive in. So you may receive a copyright violation notice if Facebook detects that you are using someone else's music, video or images without permission. So here is why it happens and what you can do in order to resolve it. First, it often happens if you are using unlicensed content like music or videos that you don't have the right to. Second, Facebook had automated systems that can scan for copyrighted material, which can sometimes flag content incorrectly. So how you can actually fix this problem? First, the easiest fix is to remove the copyright content from your post or videos that you don't have the proper right. Next, you just have to replace the content with the royalty free or the licensed material. There are many free libraries available online. So if you believe that your if you believe that Facebook made a mistake, you can file a dispute. For that, you just have to go to the notifications and follow the steps and the copyright claim. So that's it. I hope this helps you to resolve any Facebook copyright issue. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.